Okay, we're here at gotomath.com. I promise not to talk, but just about math this time. How's that? 8-2, I believe. 8-2? Yeah. Whoa, find the indefinite integral. 11ex dx. There's Euler's number. If you're wondering who Euler is. Leonhard Euler, famous mathematician. What is that? The integral of 11ex dx. The integral of 11ex dx. Whoa, what in the world do we do with that? I'm going to go ahead and just pull this 11 out front, if you don't mind. We can do that. E to the x dx. Well, do you remember when we, let's say we have f of x is equal to e to the x. We'll put it up here. Just e to the x, not 11. It don't matter. Remember when we took the derivative? We took the derivative of the numerator, right, and brought it out front, so f prime of x was equal to, if you took the derivative of x, you had 1, and then you just rewrote, right? You rewrote it, okay? So it's just the derivative of the x was e to the x. I mean, that's all there is to it, right? But in integration, okay, it's a little different. We've got to do some different things here. And that is, you got to kind of pretend that, well, I say pretend. Really, we'd be using u substitution is what we'd be using. But because this is just e to the x, and the derivative of e to the x is 1, right? What we're actually doing here is you would take that 1 and put it down below, but since it's just a 1, we don't do anything, right? So the integral of 11e to the x is just 11e to the x plus c, okay? So this only holds true, and I'm just going to go ahead and work another example because I can't remember what the next problem actually is, but if we had this integral, you take the derivative of this, which is just 3x. I mean, the derivative of 3x is 3. You put 3 down here in the denominator, and then plus c, okay? Of course, if there was a number out here, you would put the 4 right here, right? But this only holds true if it's just a number here. If this was squared, this is not going to work. Okay, we got to do some other kind of techniques and stuff, and this is not going to work. Only if this x is to the first power, okay, you take that coefficient and you put it down below. Alright, so that's what you got to kind of remember on that. And of course, I already clicked on that. The help button. I don't know why I clicked on that. So we end up with 11x plus c. 11e to the x plus c. Alright, that may not be clear, and you'll just need to work a lot of problems to get that worked out in your mind. At gotomath.com, you want to be there. Or be square.